Welcome to Chinese 101. Today we will talk about one of the basic elements of Chinese language, pronouns. Let us first take a look at personal pronouns. Chinese subject pronouns and object pronouns are always the same. Like in English, we have first, second, and third personal pronouns. They are also classified as singular pronouns and plural pronouns. Let us take a look at the singular personal pronouns.
我
I or me.
我是老师，
I am a teacher.
他认识我，
He knows me.
我，你，
You.
你会说中文吗？
Can you speak Chinese?
我喜欢你，
I like you.
你，您，
You.
您最近好吗？
How have you been?
我在等您，
I am waiting for you.
您，他，
He or him.
他在看书，
He is reading.
我给他一本书，
I gave him a book.
他，
She or her.
她很漂亮，
She is very beautiful.
你喜欢她吗？
Do you like her?
她，
It.
她喜欢跑，
It likes running.
你能修它吗？
Can you fix it?
她，
Well done. Now let us take a look at the plural personal pronouns.
我们，
We or us.
我们是学生，
We are students.
老师对我们很好，
The teacher is nice to us.
我们，咱们，
Let's us.
咱们去公园，
Let us go to the park.
他请咱们吃饭，
He treated us to a meal.
咱们，你们，
You.
你们要去哪里？
Where are you going?
他给你们写信，
He wrote letters to you.
你们，他们，
They or them male.
他们在踢足球，
They are playing football.
我见过他们，
I saw them.
他们，
They or them female.
他们喜欢跳舞，
They like dancing.
老师在找他们。
Teacher is looking for them.
他们。他们。他们。
They or them it.
他们会动。
They can move.
我需要他们。
I need them.
他们。他们。
Well done! You have now gone through all the commonly used personal pronouns. Let us have a quick recap.
我。
I or me.
我们。
We or us.
咱们。
We or us.
你。
You.
您。
You.
你们。
You.
他。
He or him.
他。
She or her.
他。
It.
他们。
They or them males.
他们。
They or them female.
他们。
They or them it. Thank you for watching. Next lesson, we will talk about illustrative pronouns in Chinese. See you in our next video. Hope you enjoy our video. If you like our video, don't forget to hit subscribe and like button.